Hey guys, hope you guys doing well. My name is Alejandro Zambrano with ATFX in London. Let's take a look at crypto markets. We've seen a significant rally in Bitcoin in the last few hours, and looking at the charts, it looks like potentially Ethereum and Ripple may be getting ready to rally higher. Now, what you're looking at right here is your daily chart in Bitcoin. I had this analysis done a few weeks ago, and I was viewing this as a rectangle, and the price actually broke out of the rectangle this morning, rallied significantly, and pretty much almost touched its target earlier today. The market rallied from pretty much 4,128 all the way up to 5,079 on this price feed. Now, as long as the candle closes around at these highs, I suspect we could potentially have further gains tomorrow. And I suspect that we could potentially have a bit of a pullback if we just take a fib of this latest move. You know, if we would move down tomorrow, about a 50% correction, so down to 5,583 or maybe 4,463, which is the third fib, then that could potentially be enough for traders to support the price and then lift it higher. But that is dependent on the market closing where we are or slightly higher. If the market would go all the way down and close at about 4,598 or maybe lower, then that could be a sign that this was a false move, a one-off move that potentially then afterwards just gonna lead to declines. Now there's other markets to watch, and one of them is Ethereum. Something you can also trade with ATFX.com. Now, with Ethereum here, we are in an upward rising ascending triangle. You have a double top, and ideally we would have a triple top here. That would have made this even a better setup. But I think this should be enough for now. And it's not just Bitcoin that is bullish, just a few of the other main coins that are rallying higher as well. So it's more likely that this actually is gonna break out. Now, keep an eye on 166. That's the level you want to watch. If we take out that level over the next few days, then that could potentially lead to a rally up towards 224, which is the November high, November 6 high, followed by 263, which is the high here derived from this ascending triangle. Now, what I've done here a bit differently, which some of you guys may notice, is that usually you would take the dollar difference here. The dollar difference is $61. And you can see here that the dollar difference is $97. But what I did here to make it more fair, I think it's better to just take the percentage change. So this is a 58% percentage change, and here as well it's a 58% change. Now this is Ripple, and Ripple here is also looking interesting. Unfortunately though, it does not have a proper pattern that we can work with. The only thing we could potentially argue is that this is some sort of a weird looking rectangle, and that a break to the high here could potentially lead to 6 cents move or about 18% move to the upside. I think that's the only thing we can say. However, though, if crypto markets indeed have bottomed out here, and if we indeed get those moves higher in something like Ethereum, then maybe this is gonna rally higher. And you know, as you can just see on Bitcoin today, how crazy the markets can quickly go, which makes me think that maybe, you know, we not just gonna go up to 42 cents, maybe we'll go up to 50 cents or maybe 54 cents. So these are a few markets, a few levels to watch. You got Ethereum and Ripple that are really interesting according to me, and then you have Bitcoin as well, but we already reached that profit target level there, so I would not really do anything about that right now. But take also a look at some of the minor coins. There's some interesting stuff over there. All right, thanks so much for watching. And if you want to know, if you want to trade some of these markets, then don't forget that ATFX offers this. We do have very tight spreads on Forex and commodities and indices, and we also have some decent pricing on the cryptos. So don't forget to check that out. Thank you.